Hi sir, this is Abhishek from my registration number is 19077. So this is my question, set 6. So I need to create a 2D game which has these things. So first I have created the environment and I added flowers to the environment and added some obstacles
Ma'am,
and added some player script to it and adding lines for the flowers,
excuse me,
like
ma'am.
the code for flowers animation, and created level for level 2
Sir,
and added more obstacles and added jump and background music. So added next level and everything, and I have finished everything. So this is my scripts used. I will explain when I finish the gameplay. This is my level 1 and this is my level 2.
Anybody called?
This is my level
yes, ma'am.
1.
I called, ma'am. Kailash.
Yes. Tell me.
Wait a minute, sir.
Ma'am,
They
can
are
I just
talking.
turn off my webcam for a couple of minutes, ma'am? Because I need to
Yeah,
record
no
my
problem, no
phone.
problem. You
I
can
have
turn off.
complete.
If you have any trouble in uploading process, you can turn off the cameras. All of
Yeah, that's what, ma'am. Just for 5 to 6 minutes, ma'am. Thank you.
finish your uploading process.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, as he said, I also need to turn off the webcam. So, yes, this is my game. Let me play the game. So, when I hit the enemy, the my I have lives. I have 3 lives, and the life remaining or have been decreased. And when I hit the another enemy, my life count is decreased. When I hit the third enemy, I need to restart the level. Like game over is coming. So I have completed a rule like game over when I have finished. I have depleted all the lives. So next thing is like I need to add the flower script. Like so actually I am in. I need to pick 10 flowers, and when I pick up 10 flowers, I need to go to the next level. So let me walk through that. To so as you have seen, um so as you would have seen that my points have gone to level what um, I have picked 10 floors. So I have moved to level 2. So this is my debug.log message. So I let me show you the level 2. So this is that one background boundary check. Like when I fell from the my game boundary, it will say that I fell from the boundary. See, there is a log message. You fell from the boundary. So I have I completed the rules. Like player should be within the fixed environment. So that was that thing. And lose life on touching the garden. So that was the thing. When I touched the spikes, it has gone, and only 3 life should be permitted. After I depleted 3 life, and I have redirected to the my home level, like the home page. After 10 flowers, I have redirected to the next level. As I have showed you, like I'll show you the again. Let me check. I am recording. Yes. So So I am in the 9th point. So when I click the 10th point, it should need to go to the level
Ma'am,
2.
Yes.
ma'am, the unit is not yet opening.
So see, I have gone to next level. This is the my level
Okay,
2.
you try something. You could, if you have saved your project somewhere,
Let me-
definitely it will be available when the Unity gets open. Whether
Ma'am,
you
it's not yet opening.
So
Ma'am, it's getting late.
I'm
Whether you save
increasing
the
the
project,
speed
Yes,
and
ma'am.
jump force.
Project is
but
saved, ma'am, but
then
it's
how
not
come
opening.
it won't be available?
So
Ma'am, the unit is not opening, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am. What happened?
Wait a
Okay,
minute, sir.
okay. You just try it out and try to the maximum. Okay.
Okay,
Let's
ma'am,
see.
but it's getting late, no, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You try to finish uploading.
Yeah, I have decrease the sound.
And after that,
So yes, so I need to. Sorry, sir. I restart a level. Let me go to the level 2 again. Sorry for the delay. Level. This is point 2. So this is the level 2. Let me
you try if
let me let me increase the player speed. Let me increase the player speed again. So this is player 10 and this the jump speed will be 10, and let me again repause it. As you would have seen, it is jumping like anything. You would have seen I have added some more obstacles here. So the mechanics I have completed. The player should be able to move right, and I have added even jump script. So minimum 5 obstacles should be there. There are even 6 and 7 obstacles. 2 levels should be provided. I have added 2 levels, and obstacle should be added little more in second level. I have added extra. Once player complete the game, player 1 commission will be provided. So I am going to show you that. So I have created an empty object and placed in the here. Like I have I have created a new object like win trigger. So I have added tag with win, and let me show you that. So when I click pause, as it has seen, it has shown me you have won. So this is how my level. So I have completed the everything, and I have added proper lights, and as you would have guessed, I have ordered proper audio, music, sound effects with which suits the environment. Now I need to explain the script. So let me go with the character 2D script. So I have added rigid body, which will what record the of my actions. So I have added text for displaying the everything, and the speed, jump force, and I need to check for whether the object is grounded or not. And yes, I've added some transform and ground radius also, and I have added layer mask, and this is for the particularly for uh, flower count is for how many flowers I have, like how many flowers I have collected, and this is for life count, how many lives I have left. I have, that is 3 lives. So first the start function will get the rigid body component, and I will call the move script. Move script is nothing but which will allow me to go left and right. So this is the move script, and this is a jump script. I have updating the jump script every frame. So this is the jump script. And is checking is grounded, and the is grounded is changed here. So this is the changed here, and so here every second the update function will be called. Every time it will check if the flower count is equal to 10. Like the condition was to check the flower count. If I have collected 10 flowers, it need to go to the level 2, and if I have 0 lives, like life count is equal to 0, it should display me a game over and I need to restart a level. So scene manager dot get active scene build rings will give me build redux plus 1 and move to my next scene. So yeah, this is these things will be updated by the flower count and live count will be updated by the on trigger function which I have pasted here. So this is the this collision.game object compare tag flower will increase the flower count like plus 1 plus 1, and it will destroy the collision. Like it is the flower is kind of point of thing, so coin kind of thing. So when I hit it, it should vanish. So this is for the win trigger. So when I click the win trigger object, it should show me win, and it should display the caption as you have won. So this is for enemy. Like when I hit the enemy, life count should be decreased by -1. Life minus minus is life is equal to my life count -1, and it debug.log you are hit enemy and life remaining life remains are it will be shown here with the life count. And this is for fall, like this one. Where is it? So this is the fall check. I have added a rigid body component which extends to the let me show you this. So this is the one. So this thing I have ordered it throughout the game. So yes, so this is my player account set, and this is my coin script. Like coin script is for updating the to check if the player has hit the flower. This like I have added the coin script to the flower. So this is the score manager, which in turn will control the coin script. Which in turn the score manager will control the coin script. So yes, so this is where I added the sound audio source, and this is where I added score, and it will update the every second. And yes, this is how I have completed my game. So yes, thank you, sir. I'm in the meeting, so yes, thank you, sir.